Hello, fellow travelers. Get ready to explore Greece, a country where ancient history meets modern-day charm. Greece is in southeastern Europe, right on the Mediterranean Sea. Picture turquoise waters, sunny beaches, and ancient ruins. Greece has it all. Get ready for an unforgettable adventure. Greece is easy to get to, with international airports in Athens and other major cities. You can fly direct from many places or hop on a connecting flight. Once you're in Greece, ferries and domestic flights can take you to the islands. Greece welcomes everyone. Greece is like an open-air museum. Get ready to step back in time. Start in Athens, the capital city. The Acropolis with the iconic Parthenon is a must-see. Imagine the ancient Greeks walking those same steps. Next, journey to Olympia, the birthplace of the Olympic Games. Imagine the athletes competing centuries ago. Don't miss Delphi, home to the ancient oracle. History comes alive in Greece. Greece has over 2,000 islands. Each island has its own personality. Santorini is famous for its whitewashed houses perched on cliffs. Watch the sunset over the caldera. It's truly magical. Mykonos is known for its lively nightlife and beautiful beaches. Crete, the largest Greek island, has it all. History, beaches, and mountains. Island hop and find your own paradise. Section 4. Taste of Greece. Get ready for a culinary adventure. Greek food is fresh, flavorful, and healthy. Start your day with a Greek yogurt and honey. For lunch, try a gyro or souvlaki. In the evening, enjoy a long dinner with fresh seafood, moussaka, and Greek salad. Oh, and don't forget to try the local wine. Section 5. Embrace the Greek spirit. The Greek people are warm, welcoming, and love to have a good time. Experience their vibrant culture through traditional music and dance. Attend a local festival and enjoy the lively atmosphere. Learn a few Greek phrases, it will go a long way. Relax, enjoy the slow pace of life, and embrace the Greek spirit. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. And oh, before I forget, a very warm welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you all so much for your support. Lots of love for you all.